Okay, we have one of these, 2015 Chinese watch. I've broken the wristband on this one, so what I've done is I've just taken the back off it. It normally sits like that. And I've gone out and bought one of these Velcro sports watch, Velcro thing, band, and which way does it go? That way. Yeah, it goes that way. I've cut a bit out of there. That would have been that long because that's where the battery's going to fit when we put it together. It's just going to go into there like that. I'm going to pull that little bit off. There we go. He's going to go that way. I'm going to sit that one into there like that way. And what that's going to do is it's going to squish down on it by using them. There's 4 screws in the back of the backing. Works like a champion. Give it a go when you break yours, which are pretty easy to do. I'll put it together and show you the end result. Okay, so I've got the bits in, screwed the back on, and it just sort of pressurizes it down. So I'll put all the stuff back into it, and you got yourself a band again. In the original band there was some battery or something in there. Just don't worry about it. It seems to operate and do everything anyway. It might be like a backup battery or something, but this goes flat, turns itself off, and keeps the time and everything anyway. So there you go. Put a sports watch band onto your 2015 GDZ09, I think it was. How to fix your band issue. Buy a $15 band, replace it with one of these, and that'll lock onto there as well, that Velcro. So I'll put everything back into it and turn him on. Oh, before I do that, I'll just let you know, if you don't cut the band and you try and force the battery back in with all the gear in it over the top of that, you end up cracking the screen like I did internally into this one down the center. I was a bit vicious though. So I'll put it back together and twitchy mode on. So there you have it. Sports watch now. A more comfortable band anyway. This is. Doesn't chunk into your arm like the cheap shit they give you. Let's give it a bit of a charge because it's very flat. Turn him on. I did crack this one down the screen in the center when I was trying to figure out how to put a band in it. So you've got to cut that bit out the middle where the battery goes. Just use it as a clamp by clamping with those 4 screws. So that's how it looks. Put him on the arm. Fits around like that. Yeah, a Velcro